everybody? How y'all doing? This is guy BILLYBOB from Phillips back with another video. First of all, I want to thank God for giving us opportunities. And next, I want to thank y'all for the support y'all showing for the channel. And on today's video, man, we in the shop. It's January 28th, Saturday, man. Got about 3 days of hunting season left. Didn't meet my goals. I had a lot of stuff I had to get done. Through the process, man, I got blessed to run across another 300 mag, just like my old gun I had over here. And so this is my old one right here. This is my new one in my gun vise. I got stuff to mount my scope, from levels to stuff to bore sighted, to get this gun set up to another 1,000-yard gun. So this gun been a good gun, man. It's been a really, really good gun. And I had some trouble with it last year. I shot at some deer and missed 3 shots. They were about 300 yards. Should have been an easy shot. And I figured this old gun was getting some age on it, getting close. So I think the barrel going out in it. One of my friends had one. He had this gun right here. Was identical to the 300 mag that I've been shooting for years. But so I'm really excited about it. So I got some things I got to torque on this gun to get it up to par. First thing we got to do, we got to get the scope mounted up. So I took my old scope off of this gun right here, sent it back to the factory, got it checked. Everything checked out, man. So everything good on the scope. So we know the scope good. So now I'm gonna take my old rifle scope, since it's been checked from the factory, and put on this new rifle right here, man. I'm really, really excited about it. So I got a couple things I gotta get done right quick. I got some epoxy here that I'm gonna bed this gun. So first thing I do, I gotta get this old epoxy mixed up, man. I hadn't posted a video in a while, but I'm trying to get all my stuff together. But man, the good news about it, I got my retirement date, got my paperwork dropped off. So my last day at the Columbus Fire and Rescue will be February 7th, Tuesday. And I'll be walking away, retired with 24 years of service and 1 year of lead time to make my 25th year. So right now, I'm mixing this epoxy up right here, getting it ready to go. Going in the bed of this gun to lock it in, to make this rifle a precision rifle. This is a factory rifle, and that's special about it. Over-the-counter gun. New. When I bought my old one here, these guns were about $1,100 when I bought this one. And I think I got maybe between 15 to 1,700 rounds through it when I first got in that long range shooting. Didn't know much about reloading, and so I shot a lot, trying different bullets and stuff like that. So it's about time for it with this gun. I can get more rounds through it because I know the process of what it's gonna take to get this gun set up from start to finish. What we doing, we're gonna do this one right and see, could I get this gun right here shoot just as good or maybe even better than my old gun. So I hope y'all enjoyed the last video that I put out, me out in the woods hunting, man. Didn't have much time to get out in the woods and hunt like I needed to, like I really want to, but that's part of life. But 2023 season is coming up this fall, so I'm getting everything set up. So right now, what you see me doing, I'm gonna go ahead and get this gun set up from start to finish, and I'll go ahead and get my range set up on it, get my turn set. So this summer, I won't have to be trying to work with this. I'm gonna work on this gun while it's still cold, got good cold weather, so I can get some accurate data on this gun, so I can get some turns built for my scope. But man, so we're gonna have a lot of fun with this, man. We're gonna see, can we get this gun and turn this gun into a 1,000-yard range gun. It's gonna be a process. Y'all stay with me, man. So I'm really excited. So we got a lot of videos coming up this summer, and my target goal is to get set up. I'm gonna do 3 videos a week, Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. And Tuesday video, it's gonna be something like a positive speak, motivational video or something. But I hadn't quite figured out, but I'm praying to ask God to guide me in the direction to give me a good catchy title for it on Tuesday. And we'll put out a positive video, and we'll drop these videos every Tuesday at a certain time, every Thursday at a certain time, and every Saturday. That y'all will be getting a video that, you know, with me out at the farm, with me out doing repair work. I got another part of the BILLYBOB Select Repair business that I'm gonna add on. So I got a lot of work to get done. I got a lot of stuff to do. So that's why I didn't get a chance to get in the woods like I needed to this winter. But the few times that I did go, I had a little success. Didn't get a chance to kill a deer. But I saw a bunch of small deer. So the good thing about it, my nephew killed one of the big deer that I had on video, and I still got about 5 or 6 of them floating around. So if they make it through the summer, man, and make it through this winter, well, they'll be bigger next year. So we got a lot to look forward to this upcoming season in 2023. So y'all stay tuned. I'm gonna get this stuff rolling right here, and we'll be right back shortly. All right, everybody. I got my screws in, and I'm gonna show you how this torque wrench works. You take it and you set the top, and what it does, it makes a clicking noise when it get to the right spec. So right now, 1, 2, 3, 4. And we're done. So we got all the screws tight, torque down to 25 pounds of torque. I went ahead and bumped them up to about 28, and just to be on the safe side. But according to everything that I read on the Night Force deal, that was plenty. So hey, we ready to go to the next step. So what we finna do now, I'm finna disassemble this gun and get it reset up so I can set this epoxy on this the bed of this gun and let it set overnight. Then we'll get that done, then we'll shut that down and we'll start from there. But that's what I got going on. So man, this is my first time ever doing this. So hey, from everything that I read, it's supposed to help big time with the accuracy. That gun shot really well, just straight up from the fact that I didn't do anything from that. Only thing I done on this gun, on my old gun, I changed the trigger out on this gun, and I had this brake put on to reduce the recoil, so this gun would shoot, and when I shoot it, it stayed on target. So that's all I had done to this particular rifle. And my buddy, when he bought this rifle, he had the barrel done to reduce the recoil, but it still got the factory trigger in here. So once I get everything set up, I'm gonna break my old gun down, and the new gun, I'm gonna tear it down and get my trigger out my old gun, because it's so much more crisp in this. And I'll show you how many pounds that trigger set is on that gun versus this one when we get to that part. So y'all stay tuned. We're gonna get over here and get ready to tie this gun down. And once I get it towed down, I'll fire this video up and show you where we're at on the next stage. So y'all stay tuned. All right, everybody, back with the next scene. But right here, this is the lug that I'm gonna lock in, and I got it prepped down with some Vaseline. So when I put the epoxy in the bed of the gun, it won't stick to the barrel of the gun. So this the bed of this rifle. This gun is already aluminum bedded already. But what we finna do, we finna tighten up this gap in the slot right here. So when we put the screws in these holes right here, that hole there, and the screw right here, that it won't be no slack in here that the gun can move back and forth. So that's what we finna do, or left and right. So we're gonna fill all this void in, and when we set this gun in, set this JB well in here, everything, it'll fill those voids up, and it'll lock everything in place. And so everything will be nice and straight. So that's what we got. We're trying to get this stuff squared away. It's gonna take a little while to do it. This a 4 to 6 hour process of what we're doing right now to let everything set up. But we're gonna have a lot of fun with this, and let's see what happens. So y'all stay tuned. I'm gonna go ahead and go to the next step, start putting this stuff in, and we'll go from there. So we'll see. Woo, boy. Thank y'all, man. We back with the last scene in this video. We got all our screws torqued, got the epoxy in the bed. Now it's just a waiting game, so we're gonna let it sit about 6 hours. The directions at 4 to 6. We're gonna let it sit 6. So it's 12 o'clock midnight, so 6 o'clock in the morning ought to be a good time to come in here and check it. So I'm gonna go to church in the morning with the family. Then after church, I'm gonna come back in here. If everything set up like it should, we'll come back in here, we'll set the rings up, the scope, and we'll be on to the next, man. But thank y'all for the support. Thank y'all for watching, and we hope y'all learned a lot from this video. We're gonna have a lot of fun with this. But man, 2023 is gonna be a big year for me. And y'all stay tuned. We're gonna share a bit of it. But I get ready to start this new chapter in my life. So like I say, February 7th is right around the corner, man. I'm so excited, man. It's scary. Thank y'all for everything y'all doing, and we'll see y'all on the next video. Thank you.